What is something your teacher did in school that you're still salty about? 1. 20 years ago, we had to make a diorama. We all had them sitting on tables in the classroom, and one day some other kid was messing around, fell into the table and smashed mine. I failed the assignment for having a smashed diorama. 2. I had left my calculator on my desk in physics class and the teacher took it. I had engraved my initials on it so it was unmistakable. My problem with this was that he always asked me during class if I had my calculator, and I told him I still couldn't find it. The end of school year comes around and another student was snooping through his desk and found my calculator. All year that a-hole was giving me a 0 for the day since I didn't have it. 3. I had a teacher accuse me and a classmate of cheating on an exam because we had the same answer. It was a multiple choice test and she was upset we both had it correct. 4. Never gave my art a higher grade than a B+. Even though she asked me every year if she could hold my art back, to show everyone how to correctly apply a technique or what she wanted from everyone else that next year. Not good enough for an A, but this is perfect and it's what I want everyone to do. Which is it then? Idiot. 5. Threatened to hit